fly like a butterfly, flow like water. That's what this latest high-rise project I'm about to show you is all about. On Dubai's latest seafront district, designed for maritime lifestyle and what could be the next billionaire's row, you can get 2 and 3 bedroom luxury apartments with stunning views of the marina, the Palm and blue waters.
Well, that's pretty standard. What's new?
Wait, luxury is not just a limit since we're in Dubai. Ultra luxury duplexes with a 4-year payment plan and amenities inside the buildings that are unheard of. You want more?
Well, surprise me.
Here we go.
Whoa!
The entire interior and finishing designed by Roberto Cavalli with its classic trademark touch. So what are you waiting for? All this just a phone call or a WhatsApp away on the number mentioned below.
Damacbay.